Philippians 2:2-4. Complete my joy by being of the same mind, having the same love, being in full accord and of one mind. Do nothing from selfish ambition or conceit, but in humility count others more significant than yourselves. Let each of you look not only to his own interest, but also to the interest of others. So what's the call here? What's the command? How do we live in unity and love? Well, God's telling us here, have unity of conviction and affection. This is why I said atheism isn't the biggest threat to the church. And neither is the culture. But our pride is a big threat to the church, to the unity and love of the church. Because Jesus said they'll know you by your love for one another. That's why unity is so important. It's the mark, the hallmark. It's total opposite of the gospel. It's a gospel of reconciliation. God reconciling us to himself. We mock that when we don't live in reconciled union with one another that God has created. We mock the whole gospel. We mock the work of Christ when we live in disunity or operate in disunity and unlove. The enemy is that pride in us, we're going to see here in a minute. It destroys love and unity faster than any outside pressure. Like, remember Paul calls them in the first chapter, there's this outside opposition, stand firm side by side in the faith. And he says that opposition is the threat from the Roman Empire. Stop preaching Christ. Stop saying Jesus is Lord, Caesar's Lord. We're going to imprison you. It's easy sometimes, most of the time, to stand up together against outside force than it is to stand up together and be unified when people in the congregation that we love disagree with us or we disagree with them. That's a greater threat.